To fix the problem where camera randomly opens on your POCO M8 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Now, there might be a few reasons that this is happening. So first of all, we'll need to go to our lock screen options. From here, make sure that in customized shortcuts, you don't have a camera, as sometimes your phone will just wake up and then it will randomly click on the camera photo shortcut and open your camera. The same on the right side, make sure that it's selected to none. Then next thing you can also actually find right here, there's launch camera with a double press volume down button. So disable it as well. If you double press on the volume down button when this option is active, it will call out your camera. And last thing is just to check in additional settings, we can find gestures and shortcuts, and then there's the option for launch camera. Make sure that double press the power button is deactivated and this option is deactivated as well. That way your camera shouldn't open randomly. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.